In this video, I will show you how to change the input source on your Sony TV. Now, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony TV you have. Following the same steps in this quick tutorial, you should be able to change the input source on any Sony TV you have, whether it's the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. And to do this, there are basically two ways you can go about it. First is to go ahead and press on the input source button on your Sony Bravia TV remote. This is basically how the input source button icon looks like. So you can just go ahead and press on it and you're going to see this menu at the bottom of the TV. If you already have your HDMI connected to any of the input sources on your TV, then you should be able to find that particular HDMI input source available for you to select over here on the TV. For instance, I have my Android TV stick connected to HDMI 4 over here. If I connect it to HDMI 2, then you'll notice that HDMI 2 will also be listed at the bottom over here. But if you want to see all of the input sources, you can go ahead and just click on the edit icon over here. And then from here, you should be able to see all of the input sources available on the TV and then just make them available under the input source menu. Another way to actually change the input source of your Sony TV is to simply just head over to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of the TV. So just scroll horizontally from the top of the TV to this settings icon over here, and then go ahead and click on the input source option over here. You can literally see it actually has the same icon as the one on the Sony Bravia TV remote control. Now once you select the input source option, you can now see the menu at the bottom of our Sony TV over here, and then go ahead and select any input source you want on your Sony TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.